Hello and welcome back to Zoo Tutorials. Here we're going to show you how you can get into your listings and manage your listings. So the first thing to do is to click on Listings, and you'll see all of your listings appear nicely formatted here. You'll see that listings with photos will have the red, with floor plans will have the orange, without them will have the grey. They'll be greyed out if they don't have. If they've got open times, they'll be in orange. Okay. Alright, so if you wanted to add a new listing, you just click on residential sale and click go. Okay, let's have a look at a current listing here. Okay, so the listing template is pretty simple. It's very much like before. You select your country. It should automatically be selected for you actually, and then you select your suburb. In certain countries we have the suburbs hard-coded into the system. If there isn't a suburb that you want in the system, then you'll have to check with Australia Post on the suburbs database first to make sure it's in there. And if it's not in there, if it's in there and it's not in our system, then please let us know. We will add it to our system within 24 hours. If it's not in there, well then we can't use it because we export to a lot of real estate portals, and they use the in Australia and in different countries they use the suburbs databases. So the postcode databases are directly from the postal institutes. So just keep that in mind. Okay, fill in all the details. Your unit number, which will be a 9 or a 10, street number, you know, whatever number it is, and then the street name. Put the full name, and always make sure you spell this correctly. Road, street, all that sort of stuff. Do you want to display all address details or no address details? Okay, the no address will just display the suburb. Okay, select what property type it is. This is different for each country. And your property headline, if you've got your own unique property IDs that you use, put them in there. Put in the description here. You can resize the boxes for the description depending on what browser you use. I suggest using Firefox or not Internet Explorer. Definitely not Internet Explorer. If you want to have the slowest browser on the planet, you'll use Internet Explorer. Firefox or Google Chrome, which is fantastic. Safari is also quite good. Opera is another good one. Okay, you can put the year built. You can put tax rates down there if you like, per quarter, per month, per year, etc. Garaging, carport, garage, off-street places. Remember, off-street won't appear on a number of portals. They don't include off-streets. Bedrooms and bathrooms. Energy efficiency rating. This will be different in each country, but the Australian has a 1 to 6 system. And then what you can do is just click on map above address, and it will actually, you can just see what happened there. It just mapped the above address. Then up here you can put your land area, floor area. Make sure you select whether it's in square metres, square feet, acres, hectares, etc. How many levels are on the building? Here you've got a number of items under each: internal features, external features, security features, general features, location features, lifestyle, and you can also create some of your own if you like too. You must inform your web developer if you want something special for your website through that system. You can also put your link to your virtual tour, or you can have an external link. URL for these. Also auction dates and times. We've got some systems that manage all those sort of things. Price, whether you want to display the price that you've written above, make sure always the price is numbers only. Display the price above, or display that text instead of that price. Okay, or do not display any price details. Select the first and second contacts. And then also, you can also add the vendor details now. And the reason for this is we're going to be supporting a number of CRM platforms through the system. You can call your web developer to ask them to build your thing into Salesforce or Act or whatever you'd like, and they should be able to build something for you if it's not already available through Zoo Property. We'll be building a number of them, but if you want any special one built, well then you just have to give us a call, and we'll arrange that for you for a fee. Okay, so that's basically it for the template. We'll just now go to the photos, and you'll see the photos are pretty simple. Make sure you select submit at the end of that. Your photos are pretty simple. You can upload up to 26 photos, 26 floor plans. You can also sort the photos into what order you like them. You can also name each photo after you've uploaded them as well. So if you want to add photos, you just go add another, and then you'll get a new slot. Okay, and you can just click on that a number of times and choose the file. So there you go. That's how you update properties, and there's also some brochures there you can update as well. Okay, thank you very much.